We'll go out for pineapple, my little bubbly-headed boobly-boo.
Skipper, look.
Analysis.
It looks like a small incandescent bulb, designed to indicate something out of the ordinary, like a malfunction.
I find it pretty and somewhat hypnotic.
That too, sir.
Right. Rico. Manual.
Problemo solved.
Sir, we may be out of fuel.
What makes you think that?
We've lost engine 1.
Engine 2, fire.
Buckle up, boys.
Don't look dull. This might get hairy. Attention! This is your captain speaking. I've got good news and bad news. The good news is we'll be landing immediately. Bad news is we're crash landing.
Bank angle.
When it comes to air travel, we know you have no choice whatsoever.
Bank angle.
But thanks again for choosing Air Penguin.
Terrain. Pull up.
My goodness,
Terrain.
you're shaking like a
Pull
leaf.
up.
Rico,
Pull
you
up.
had your fun. Pull up.
Terrain. Pull up.
Gently now, you just want to kiss the car. Just a little peck. A smooch like you're kissing your sister.
Overspeed.
I said kiss it.
Overspeed.
Now just a little break. Just a tap. A little whisper. I believe that's checkmate.
Overspeed.
Terrain. Pull up.
Commence emergency land procedure. Flaps out.
Terrain. Pull up.